It's time for this week's Look Through Life. Today is the final day of our April missions emphasis at Life Fellowship, and we have one final way for you to engage with missions at tonight's Bless the Nation celebration. Here is Pastor Dan Burrell with a preview of tonight's exciting event.
Hey, Life Fellowship, one final reminder, tonight, 5 o'clock, you don't want to miss it. Tonight, we're going to be celebrating our month-long emphasis of Bless the Nations. We're going to contact some of our missionary partners from around the world electronically. You'll get to hear them tell the difference that Life Fellowship is making in our partnership with them. Then we're going to go to the lobby, enjoy a taste of the nations as we have food from every continent prepared for you, and a time of fellowship with many of our local missionaries. So let's see you back again tonight, 5 o'clock, for this spectacular opportunity to bless the nations through the missions program of Life Fellowship.
You may continue to give to Above and Beyond until tonight at midnight or through the Life app by using the monthly Missions Emphasis Fund. All men are invited to join us Saturday at 7 a.m. in room 307 for May's Ironman Coffee. Come enjoy a time of fellowship together and hear a short devotional by James Cashman entitled God Loves Failure. To learn more about our Men of Life ministry, reach out to Chuck Shalish at menoflife@lifecharlotte.com. All ministry leaders are invited to a special Bless gathering next Sunday after the second service. If you lead a small group of children, students, or adults, you play a pivotal role in furthering the prayer and evangelism focus that has already begun at Life Fellowship. Please join us for lunch and an important discussion on what's next with Bless. Childcare will be provided. Be on the lookout for an email with additional details and information on how to RSVP. All students, grades 6 through 12th, are invited to next Sunday's Big Life beginning at 5 p.m. Our theme for the evening is Wild West. There will be a mechanical bull, burgers, hot dogs, chips, drinks, and prizes for competitions including Best Western Outfit, champions of the 3-on-3 basketball tournament, and the individual who brings the most friends. This night is for the purpose of our students reaching out to the community and bringing them to church. We can't wait to see you there. That's all for this week's Look Through Life.